Sometimes I just sit dreaming on a hillside neath a tree, thinking about the life I've lived and what I'm gonna be. If I'd been born in Texas or maybe in New Orleans, I wouldn't be wearing these old cork boots and stagged off blue jeans. A man just can't help wondering but what he's missed in life. But all too young he's settled down with a family and a wife. His mind may roam, but a wife and home are things that he's tied to. But still he dreams a lot of dreams of what he'd like to do. I've never picked no cotton, never drilled for oil, never built no steel rails for a lonesome old freight train. But I've pulled lots of rigging, I've cut lots of trees, and I've set a lot of chokers in the rain. I've listened to stories by the fire when eating lunch of these traveling men and where they've been, and boy, they've seen a bunch. I dream of going where they've gone and doing what they've done, of lands of milk and honey, long-haired girls and fun. I'd like to fish the coast of Maine or drive a big freight truck, dig spuds out in Idaho to make an extra buck. But most of all, I'd like to go down to New Orleans and wrap my arms around a pretty Cajun queen. I've never picked no cotton, I've never drilled for oil, never built no steel rails for a lonesome old freight train. But I pulled lots of rigging, cut a lot of trees, set a lot of chokers in the rain. And I'm still setting chokers in the rain.